Both Hands on the Farm, the mission is to teach the kids that agriculture is part of their life. The food that they go to the grocery store and eat is actually grown on farms, and a lot of that is grown on Iowa farms.
It's where you get to experience how to be a farmer.
So what is it like being a farmer?
It's dirty work because you have to milk cows, you have to take care of pigs, and you have to do a lot of things like pick apples and get all the fruit and vegetables.
Apple. This way. Yeah.
There are 12 different interactive stations, from the pig barn to the garden to the grain bin, chickens, where they get to gather things and then they get to sell that at the market, and they get $1 that they can go in and purchase something at the store.
What did you plant?
A super tomato.
Double rake. Tomatoes, tomatoes, bury the tomatoes. It's gonna be very hard for the super tomato to grow if it doesn't have all the dirt in the world. My super tomato is gonna be 15 million tons at the least. You need a lot of water to make solid gold.
You want an egg? You see the chickens? Hi!
What's in your bucket?
What do you got? Say hi!
Hi. Will we plant something?
It's very fun to milk the cows and get eggs from the chickens. You get to see how it works and how farmers actually do it.
Do you think farming is hard work?
Yes.
I don't know if I can. This might be hard.
What I like about it is going into the barn with a little cow, because I've never actually milked a cow before, but I've seen cows because we have friends, our parents have friends that have cows. The udders feel so realistic that you feel like you're actually milking a cow.
You want one? There you go. Hello.
It's just a really good family activity. I know there's a lot of crowd out there. This is a great place for parents or grandparents to bring their kids. It's all fenced in. It's a pretty relaxed atmosphere. Everything is for the kids here, so there's nothing they can hurt, and it's a very safe area, and they are getting educated on agriculture.
We were here last year and this year, and we're going to be back next year.